Man, it's a beautiful day here. I like hanging out with my third cousin here.
Emma steal Karen, this person's third cousin.
Oh no. This jerk is gonna come.
Gimme your third cousin, dummy.
No. I will not give her to you. Take that to your room, jerk.
Gimme her or I will kidnap you.
I said no.
Gimme your third cousin or I will light you on fire.
Don't talk to me like that. Leave me and Karen alone, right now. Dumbass.
Oh, that's it. Emma, go find her right now.
No, you cannot.
Hey, quit using offensive slurs here. I am Haitian next door.
I am Black African American. Stop using that language here.
I am from Uganda. Knock this shit off.
That's it. I'm calling your parents.
Whoa, Erin, how dare you lash offensive language just to protect your third cousin Karen Dern? Why would you say insulting words like the N-word? You know that is very racist and extremely offensive. That's it. You won't live here anymore until you can learn how to behave, cause this behavior is not allowed in this house. Do you understand?
Yes, Dad.
Also, not just being kicked or not live here. You are grounded as well. You won't live here for 27142894533417900000942158631586312 years. Quit acting like that and pack up your apartment. When you're ready, let me and your mother know.